Hey guys, welcome to my next unicorns vlog. Today I'm going to be showing you some slime. This is my first video. Before I start, I want you to click the subscribe button and do all that other stuff. So, and once you're done with that, send me a comment and say that you're done clicking the subscribe button, the notifications button, and also like this video. Give me 100 likes. Okay, so let's get on to the video. So first one is called the Clear Jello Party Slime. We usually call it Jello and Party Slime, but the party one is because it has like glitter that reminds me of a party, and also it's like jelly. Look at that. Let's get this out of the way. So cool, right? Let's put that back in the container. I'm not showing you that much because I'm trying to be fast. And then maybe next video I'll make it fast. Oh no, not that one. Maybe the next one I'll make more slimes or make more slime. And the next one is actually hard slime. You know why I'm doing going so quick? So satisfying. So yeah. Some got stuck to the clipboard. Sorry guys, I just stuck to the hood. Maybe I'll do a challenge to do it with my brother. Wait, no. Maybe, I don't know. And the last my favorite is called a fruit butter slime. So, let's get it out. I made it. It's like so cool. Right, Steven? Say yep. Yep. Exactly. I can't get it out the container. You missed it. Look at that. I'm not getting it all out. Look at that. But it's butter slime. It's very smooth. Ooh, don't show me. Okay, and that's all I have for you. And please subscribe and everything. And come back to my next video. Bye!